Here we are on the last day. The last time Steve will have his makeup done. Well, we
How do
think.
you know it'll be the last time?
Probably he's surprised with it. But here they are, ironing the American flag. Oh, burn, baby, burn. Disco will burn up. This is America. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Are you ready to sing again today?
Yes, of course.
Always ready. Those Photoshop skills. My mom, she's dead.
Okay. Here we are. The last day. How does that make you feel? Yeah. Get to calm you out. So question, if you put enough concealer on, does it make you invisible?
Can we go out there?
I had a nice view.
Do you like to look out over the city as you plan
I do.
people's
It's like,
deaths?
what are we going to do today, Bray? The same thing we do every day. Pinky plan to take over the world.
I don't really like Sarah because I feel like she's a bitch. I mean, look at her makeup. She's like hardcore. I feel like she's one of those like girls that would like not hesitate to kill you. Probably has connections to the mafia.
Whom you are talking?
Me, myself. Yes.
Today, finish?
Yes.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you. But it's sad because now we can't sing together anymore. Ice cold Michelle. Well, what are you gonna do about me singing into your head all the time? Look at this little schoolboy. He's going to Sunday school.
I'll be a good boy. Please, Mama, don't beat me.
Oh my.
One more day.
One more day.
And we will finish.
So we have finished filming our scenes. So now I am done. Bye bye. So I guess this is the end of Sarah. A rather bitchy character, by the way. I didn't really like her much to begin with. I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy it hurts. Cause he's an attorney. You know what I mean. He lies to everybody.
For my yurt. Too sexy for my yurt. So sexy it hurts.
I'm kind of sad now because I don't want it to end. I'm gonna miss you.
Today is our work day. Finish?
Yeah. I'm gonna miss all these guys.
Hi.
Oh, my love. Now go.
Oh, вечером, 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 тихо спал.
That's why they need us. So bring on the rebels from Pebbles. Can you take a photo of me in here?
Sure.
Bye bye. Ready?
Da?
So, how was your last day of filming?
It was great.
It was
I'm
fantastic.
getting a hang of this acting thing.
Yeah, you should make a career out of it.
Yeah, maybe it would become like a career in movie stuff.
You should.
Yo, woo!
Yeah. Grandma, it is me, Anastasia. I just always wanted to do that.